Kia ora koutou e te whānau, nau mai, haere mai, hoki mai, ngā mihi o te tauhau, ki a koe, ki a koutou katoa. My name is Te Umuariki and I'm coming to you from my whare Paku. Why is it the whare Paku? It's the smallest house in the house. So at the marae we might have a whare nui, a whare kai, and we go around the back and we don't so much have the whare iti, we have the whare Paku. And just while I'm there, in my journey of learning te reo, the opposite of Paku is rahi. So we have nui and iti, or we have Paku or rahi, so hence the whare Paku. Anyway, whether it's your whare Paku, your toilet or your bathroom, I'm going to do my first wero in here. My name is Te Umuariki. May, I was born in Christchurch. I was brought up around the army and around Rangiora, Kaiapoi. Grew up around the South Island, Te Waipounamu, and then we moved up to Porirua, and then later on I moved up to Kapiti, to Paraparaumu and Kapiti, and that's where I reside now. I have 4 toko whā aku tamariki, and I have no TV, but we have te kaumātoru, mokopuna, have 13 grandchildren. So this waiata is our first waiata. It's about, it's not all about being Māori, it is about being Māori as in being original and being yourself. So our first waiata, you can use an instrument, you can do it on your own as a solo, or if you're whakamā for the preheats, you can bring your family in and your whānau or your workmates in the whare Paku, kei te pai. How many people can you get in there? So the main thing is to do presentation. I know the lighting's not very good in here because I've had a power cut, or actually I didn't pay my bill. But the main thing is to be harikoa, to be joyful, and let's have a good year and a good wānanga. We'll have 5 or 6 preheats, and then we'll start the challenge where we'll do specific waiata, like waiata kinaki, motiatia, waiata aroha, waiata tangi, all different waiata and different levels. And in those ones we'll be doing it on our own, and there'll be a written content. So we won't worry about doing a written for this part, for the preheats. We'll just get on with our waiata. So here's my waiata. It can be in English or Māori. The main thing is get your presentation out there. So all the best. Here we go. 3 blind mice, 3 blind mice, see how they run. See how they run. They all ran up to the farmer's wife. She cut off their toe with the carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice? 3 blind mice. E toru ngā mea nunui. E ki ana te pai pera. Whakapono, tūmanako, ko te mea nui, ko te aroha. Ka pai koutou, I wish you well this year with your journey, whatever it is, te reo, health, well-being. For me, our health is our wealth, so that's what I'll be working on this year. I wish you all the best for the wānanga, give it heaps, and I'll see you out there. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, a tēnā tātou katoa.